I'll teach you everything you need to know about arithmetic in 5 minutes. So back to our script where I told you anything inside the quotation marks will be printed out in the output. So let's do 3 plus 2 and see what happens. It prints literally 3 plus 2, exactly what we wrote in the script. The script can print out arithmetic, but to do this, we have to get rid of the quotation marks. And now it works like regular math. See, print 3 plus 2 without the quotation marks. Bam, 5. Comment down below if that's the right answer. I don't know. So when we want words to be written, we use quotation marks. Or if you actually want to print 3 plus 2 instead of the answer, you can use quotation marks too. But when we wanted to do math or something like that, we do it without the quotation marks. So when you want to write exactly what's in there, put the quotation marks. If you want to do math, no quotation marks. Let's see what else we can print. Okay, so you know that using the plus sign adds things together. If we use the minus sign, it makes subtraction happen. We can even use the negative sign for negative numbers, and it'll print out -5. To multiply, we use the star symbol that's right above the 8. When you press Shift 8, that symbol. So 3 times 2 is what is going to happen. 6. And for division, we use the little slash symbol. And this is saying 3 divided by 2, which is 1.5. And if you press Shift 6 and look at that little symbol, it's the caret symbol. And that is for exponents. So this is 3 to the power of 2, which should result in 9. For this, the order matters, because if you do the 2 first and then the 3, then that's 2 to the power of 3, which is 8. There is another symbol I want to talk to you guys about. It's a little bit tricky, but bear with me, it's not that bad. That little percent symbol, it's also known as modulus. What this does is to find the remainder of any number. For example, if we divide 3 by 2, then it goes into it 1 time, so the remainder is 1 because 1 is left over. 2 goes into 3 1 time and it has a remainder of 1. So the answer is 1 because it prints out the remainder. If I do 5 modulus 2, what is the remainder for that? Hopefully you know that it is 1. Doing things by modulus 2 is a great way to see if a number is even or odd. If a number is odd, it prints out 1. And if the number is even, it prints out 0. For example, 5 modulus 2 has a remainder of 1. But if we do an even number, like 8, when you modulus it by 2, I don't know the proper term for that, it should have 0. Any even number will result in 0 when modulus by 2, and any odd number will result in 1. We can find if any number is divisible by any number. For example, let's say if you want to see if a number is divisible by 3, just use modulus 3. And we can type in any number in the world, and I can tell you if it's divisible by 3, if this results in 0. Oh, it does result in 0. I just wrote in a random number and it worked. What are the chances of that? 1 in 3? Yeah, whatever. But yeah, this big number is divisible by 3 because we modulus it by 3 and got 0. The last thing I want to show you is the use of parentheses. If we do 6 divided by 2 plus 1 and we print out that answer, it's 4. However, if we put parentheses around this part, and you know how parentheses work, they just do whatever's in the parentheses first. Before it was doing orders of operation, so 6 divided by 2 first, which is 3, plus 1 is 4. Now it's going to do whatever is in here first, in this case 2 plus 1. It'll do that first, and let's see how that changes the answer. See, now it's 2. So parentheses are important to make things work how you want it to. If you want a certain part to go first, make sure to put it in parentheses.